One for stair and one for dual, and then the other one is flat, so I guess the dual is stair and flat. Let's open the stair first. So this is what comes. Oh, there is a nice box, and inside the case, that's the device. That's it. It comes with a card, some kind of instructions telling me what kind of battery to use, and then a brace like SCAT, like the one we use in SCAT, and some stickers. And the other one, let's see what the difference is. This is the dual. The dual comes with a Velcro instead of the metal brace. Really looking forward to test it and to write the review. See you soon at olympicpistol.com.